Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And now let's pack Tuesday's lunch. Here I have prepared like a mixed sabji with capsicum, sweet corn, onion and paneer. I'm packing that in one container. In another one here I have some whole green sprouted dal. It was very thick, not like a dal, like a sabji only you can see. So I'm packing that in the second container, and in the third container I have some mixed vegetable dalia. So it's like a khichdi, whatever vegetables were available in the kitchen. I have added all of that. I have also added few double beans which were left in a container. So I added everything possible. So here is what I packed for Tuesday. Three containers equal size, and I have packed one sabji, one like a mixed fry, and one khichdi. Packing lunch is like a task, especially with a toddler around, but I am just trying to pack whatever best I can because it's always better to eat home cooked meal than eating outside. So this is what we packed for Tuesday. That's all for today's video. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.